Okay, here we are on the shop page, and so I'm going to go over this on video, and then I'm going to make a Word doc or a text file that shows you also which goes with which. But I want to talk about the layout real quick right here. See the mustache? It can go all the way across on all these other tabs, but not these tabs. I think the navigation tabs are overlapping, so can you space those out a little bit so we can see the full mustache? If we can't get the full mustache in there, then let's just get rid of the mustache. I mean, yeah, it kind of looks, yeah, I don't like that. So if we can't get the full mustache in there, then go ahead and delete the mustache, not a problem. Social media buttons, can we make these a little bigger? That's too small. Yeah, it's too small. Shoot, even if we can move the social media buttons, like, maybe right here? No, leave them right there, make them a little bigger though, and then I'll get you links. Get rid of the Pinterest one, and I would say even get rid of YouTube. Well, yeah, and then, probably put their Yelp links on there. I'm wondering if I could just get different buttons and get rid of these altogether. But let's just make leave these three and make them a little bigger for now. That's it for now. If there's other social media buttons that we need, I will figure that out. Maybe we'll have to move them around a little bit. Anyway, just make those a little bigger for now. See about the mustache. Okay, on the shop page. So here we go. I have dropped some more products in here. So so these are all the beard styling balms. And here, so I was thinking we could put this picture up first here, and then put the title Beard Styling Balms, and then underneath that main picture, then we can have the individual ones, and I'll write out the description for them. I'll just write 2 ounces of this, exactly what this is, made from the Jeds uses the finest ingredients, and so that's what we'll do on all those. And the price on those is, those are $14 each. So then next we have the soothing pre-shave oil, and this is the 1 ounce. So I have 2 other pictures here that I want to go first. So if we go down here, I think this might be it. Yeah, Jeds pre-shave oil, $12. So maybe we can do the same thing. So we're gonna have that balm first, and then we'll have like a row of the beard balm. Then we'll have the 1 ounce oil. And see, under the 1 ounce oil, under that picture, we can put each of these. So it's going to be the main picture and all the other balms underneath. Then underneath that, the main picture, all the other oils underneath that. You see where I'm kind of getting at? And let's see, all those are, all those 1 ounce oils are $12. And then we could put the 2 ounce oils for $24 and then make another row under those. 2 ounces, yeah. And then, yeah, 2 ounce. Those are all the 2 ounce ones. And then on on all of those bottles, I want to include the instruction picture. So I don't know if you can do that. If you can have multiple pictures of your product, I assume you can with like WooCommerce. And then, so after that, we got all the main pictures and the products underneath of them. We also have beer soap. And I'll write a description for that. And I should have included the beer soap. So yeah, here they are. Oops. So yeah, each one of those. And those are $8 each. And then I want to include the instructions on the box on all of the soaps. So, and then I guess we don't have to include that part of the picture. Just the instructions, and then there's the bar of soap, which is cool. And then the packaging that it comes with. So I want the bar of soap and the packaging to go along with all the soaps. And then we have the pictures, or I'm sorry, we have the clothing line. Okay, so these are women's panties. I was wondering if you can actually take on this picture, make it like a white background like the other ones, so everything matches kind of. See how these products, they all got a white background. That's got a white background. So, can you do the same thing with those panties? Sorry, I don't mean to make you do image editing. Usually I would get someone else to do that, but can you do that? And then what's down here? Yeah, so you're going to use this picture. And this picture also, I was wondering if you could get the hat out of it. Because I want to just show the panties. This picture, and this picture for the panties. Those are women's panties. And those are $8 each. And then the hats. The hats are $15 each. We'll just use one picture of the hat. And then the t-shirts are $12, and the kids' t-shirts are $8 or $10. Sorry. So I want to use that picture. That picture and that picture for the t-shirt. So this one. And this one. And I think that's it. That's all the products. So went over everything on video. I will make this on a Word doc too that you can follow along with. And yeah, we'll go from there. And also, how I was saying, we have these, this main picture maybe. We'll have the main picture of the 2-ounce beard oil, and then we have all the individual ones. with the price underneath them. If that doesn't look good with that main picture there, like how we're going to have all the main pictures, if that just doesn't look good, then we won't use those. We'll just use the individual products. I kind of want them to be all tiled, you know. But I'm sure you know how to do it better than me. Okay, and then I'll go on to the media page, and then we're going to have a video page as well. So, yeah, the media one's just going to be real easy, and the video one, I'm already going to have the video, so you'll just have to like embed the codes in there. And that's it for this video. I'm going to upload it now. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Thanks so much. Sorry about the delay on this. It'll be great when we have it done. Thanks.